Hey DramaBox fans, welcome back! Lately, I've been seeing this method popping up all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited coins in DramaBox using just your phone. No PC, no extra tools, nothing complicated. At first, I wasn't sure what to think. It sounded a little too good to be true, so I decided to test it myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and show you the results. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. Next, I grabbed my phone and opened up my browser. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser works. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about for DramaBox Unlimited Coins. The page loaded right away, no weird pop-ups, no redirects, nothing sketchy. Honestly, I was a little surprised. It looked clean, normal, and pretty legit. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, the site asked how many coins I wanted to add. For this test, I went all out and picked the highest amount. Figured I might as well really see what happens. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared, showing each step being completed. Everything was easy to follow and nicely laid out, super straightforward. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains it clearly with simple instructions, so it wasn't confusing at all. I had already taken care of that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and check out the results. To see if it actually worked, I opened DramaBox again and checked my coins balance. And yep, the extra coins were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around, nothing like that. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me by surprise. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.